Hi traders, you're welcome to my channel. I am OT Josh, and in this video I'll be doing trade based on price analysis and volume. Now I just did a call trade there following the lead of the strong hands in the market, and when I saw my confirmation with the first weak hand, I joined them. I have explained this thing and in the course how you can use the strong hands and the weak hand and you can trade with them so that you can get the best probability of trades. So what we are doing right now is following the buying pressure, the buying momentum, and we don't just follow it, we wait for the exact point to follow them by watching the participants of the market. So this is exactly what I have done here, and because I have followed them right from the bottom, I entered the trade here. So I'm going to wait for more signals. I'm not going to jump in any trade for now. So let's wait and see going to happen. Okay, that was the first trade. This was the past trade. Let me move it. Yeah, this is the first trade. So we have to wait again. So what's going on now here? We can see that the market was kind of in a range. Okay, the market has an now. It has an upward pressure, and the Bollinger Band is about to open. At the same time, you can see the 20 EMA going to the 50 EMA, and this represents, like I told you, the news release, how news release can drive price up for the insiders to get to their target level. So we can use this as, let me see, the Bollinger Band is not okay. We can use this as a potential signal to do another call trade. Yes, I will do another just for 1 minute. Now this call trade I'm doing is going to be only for 1 minute because you cannot use the news release. Okay, the news release has not even come, so I can do more than one trade for more than 1 minute. But then when the news release happens and the whole market is rushing to buy, you can be the first set of people to buy. You cannot be too greedy to want to always continue buying. Why? Because this is exactly what the insiders want. You understand? This is exactly what they want. They want you to buy and buy so that you can take the market to their target price level. And when you do that, what happens? They trap you because you will be carried away. You won't be able to realize that you've been buying at the top. So this is why I entered very early. Now the news release is about to happen. It's about to happen, as you can see. Okay, now I'll wait. I'm not going to get carried away. I won't get carried away. Why? Because this might be the target level they want to take price to, and you'll find out that at the end of everything, the market can chop back as fast as it went up because they've reached their target level already. And as you can, the moment the news release is happening, the market is kind of going in an overbought condition. So these are things you need to watch out for. So for this to happen now, I've seen the insiders coming in two candles. You can see these two candles, their activities. Now if this third candle's volume is low, then I will know that yes, this is really the insiders, and this volume shows that the retailer market are now in the market, and I'll join them to sell because I know that the news release is just there to fool us. Okay, no, this volume is also high, so I'll still wait, but while I'm waiting, I am not going to buy. Never. I won't get carried away to buy. I'll wait patiently for the reversal because this trend started from here. For those who bought here are the real owners of this market, not anyone who is buying here. As you can see, this is what I'm talking about. The news release has just dragged the price to a target level, and then the market is going to come back. If you haven't, please do well to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. As this trade goes on, you can just take a moment to like and share and subscribe to the channel as well. If you haven't gotten the course, I tell you this is the best decision you can ever make in your trading career. Get the course and you'll find out how the market truly works. So now, because the volume is low, I'm going now to do a put trade because now I know that the insiders I've brought the market this far for me, and I'll wait, let it go up. Let's see. Okay. Yeah. Oh, that was too late. But nevertheless, okay, I'll do a double trade if it goes up again. uh, most probably it will go down now. Now, I want you to understand that at the end of this video, I'm going to explain exactly what happens here. Now, this is a stage of market sentiment, of market phase, whereby the insiders wants to take they've already bought at the accumulation phase, maybe somewhere around here. In a lower time frame, we can see it clearly. Now, what they do is that when they buy in the accumulation phase, they need people to push the price up for them. And what would they use? They use the media. They use good news stories to push up. They use good news story to push the price up. So when this good news story happens, everybody hears the good news about that specific stock. For instance, this is Euro USD. Everybody is hearing the good news around it, and so they jump into the trend, thinking that this is the best thing that has ever happened. But the truth is, the insiders wants that momentum to take the price to their target level. Where is their target level? Their strong key levels, their body reversals, their pivot points, any place whereby there is a significant price action. Now, if you come here, you can see that there was a significant price action here, which is the change of polarity. So this is the place where the insiders targeted. So I'll go back and start to explain this from the beginning. Like I said, at this point, the news wasn't released yet, but then I knew that this move was from the insiders because they always buy at the bottom and they sell at the top. So I followed them. So now, talking about the insiders, I'm going to remove the EMAs so that we can understand better what these volume bars are meant for. Like I said, there are two participants in the market after the insiders and the retailers, and there are two financial group, which are the weak hands and the strong hands. The strong hands have good capital to trade with, while the weak hands have no very little capital to trade with. The weak hands are people like us that have capital like less than not even up to $1 million. No, we are all weak hands. The strong hands are people who have really good capital to trade with. Now, watch, when the insiders are pushing this price up, I looked at the hands that are in the market. You see these two bars, these two strong bars, they represent the strong hands. Now, if the strong hands are pushing the market, I cannot predict what they'll do next. I'll just have to wait, right? Because they are just like the insiders, but in this time, not psychological, but financial. They don't manipulate price. We see them spending money. Now, immediately they left, I saw a weak candle, which shows that okay, they've done what they want to do, and now they've left the market. Now, in the beginning of the course, I told you about cause and effect, and I told you about effort versus result. If this is a cause, if the insiders came in two candle, what would the effect be? To be directly proportional to the cause, right? Now, if it's directly proportional to the cause, then you have to start thinking now. If this is an effect that shows that the market will be going up, then the cost should also go up as well. That's why when I saw the first weak hand, I joined immediately because I knew the market would be going up. No. Now, when the market starts going up like this, I understood that the market is going to a target level. For that market to go to a target level, it needs something, it needs momentum. How can that momentum come into the market? The use of media. Like I told you at the part 4 of that course, the media is what drives price, is what drives the momentum, is what drives the sentiment. It is what drives greed in an uptrend and fear in a downtrend. And this is exactly what we've just seen here. Now, the media has been used to drive the price up, and I became the first. I wasn't going to join the the trend or the crowd when the news is already there. I was watching it, and immediately I saw that the news is going to come out, and then I saw volume supporting my own analysis. By volume, I mean the Bollinger Band. I entered. Now, why did I even enter more? It's also with the thing about weak hand and strong hands. Now, look at this. you can see that before I did this trade, you can see how the volume was increasing, but immediately the volume reduced, I did the trade. Why? Because this is the first set of weak hands that entered the market after strong hands has shown that the market will be going up. Well, it will be going up for the sake of manipulation, but it's still an upward move. And now look, for two candles, it shows that the market will be going up, right? So if for two candles the market will be going up, let's think about the first principles of trading: effort and result, supply and demand, cause and effect. So if this is a cause, this two candle is the cause, the effect will be two candles effect. But in this case, it was even three candles effect. So I entered here with a trade. Now, coming back to the story, like I said, the insiders will take price to their target level. When I checked at the left here, I saw a good level, and it was a good level of resistance. In this case, there was a change of polarity here, and in this change of polarity, um, we had this support, we had this support, then this candlestick broke down, and then we had resistance, we had resistance, we had resistance. Now coming back up here, this was going to be the target area for the insiders. So immediately I saw these two candlestick with increasing volume. Now you see the candlestick volume was increasing. Let me zoom in. Okay, now you can see the candlesticks here. Okay, you can see how this volume was small and this volume was even much more bigger. Now it shows that the insiders are involved in this price action. Like I said in the course, what we are looking for really is what the insiders are doing, and we want to follow them. Now, if I had a plan, if I had a structure in my head that says that the insiders will push price to a target price level, and then the market is going to come back down. Sorry, it's when insiders push price to the target level, everybody is going to join, and then the insiders will sell to those people who are joining. What does this mean? It shows that this is what the insiders are doing here. They've already pushed price to the market, to the target price level. And when I saw this candlestick now with low volume, I know the deed is done, the mission has been completed. Otherwise the volume would have still be high, and I would have waited for something else to happen. You understand? So therefore, since the volume is low, I knew this was the insiders. This is the retailers like me and you, who will now have to take the other side of the market, the first group of people. So immediately I saw this low volume, I did a put trade here. It is as simple as that. And now you can see that after this trade, these two candle came with increasing volume. You can see how the volume increased, but immediately the market got back to the target level again. After the insiders took the price up to the target level, you see how the volume reduced, and you can do another put trade here. So this is how the market works. I urge you to get that course. Never going to regret it, because this I just gave the blueprint about how I trade and how I understand the market. It isn't just about technical analysis or price pattern. No, it is about understanding the foundational movement of every financial market: stock exchange, cryptocurrency, commodities and currencies, every kind of financial market. Once you can get this, then you can apply any strategy. That's why I tell people that there are really no strategies in trading. The strategy comes from common sense. When you use common sense backed with the foundation of how the market was built, the algorithm of the market, then trading comes to life for you. So until next time, like I said, do well to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. If you want to contact me, you can use the link in the description of this video. Until next time, have a great day, and bye bye.